Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today, we will learn the basics of speech-to-text and text-to-speech in natural language processing. Let us start with speech-to-text, also called automatic speech recognition. Here is the overall pipeline. Sound enters, we clean it, extract features, use an acoustic model, apply a language model, and output text. Step 1 is capturing the sound. Your voice makes air vibrations, the microphone records them, and the signal becomes numbers the computer can process. Step 2 is cleaning the data. We remove background noise and split the signal into tiny frames of about 10 to 20 milliseconds. Step 3 is feature extraction. The computer looks for phonemes, the smallest sound units. For the word cat, the phonemes are K, A, and T. Step 4 is the acoustic model. It compares each sound to possible phonemes and assigns probabilities, like does this sound more like B or key. Step 5 is the language model. It uses context to pick the correct word. In the sentence, I ate an apple, it chooses ate, not ate. Step 6 is the final output. The most likely words are displayed as text. Here is a simple summary of speech to text steps. Now let us switch to text-to-speech, also called speech synthesis. Here is the pipeline. We start with text, normalize it, map to phonemes, add prosody, and synthesize audio. Step 1 is text analysis. The system expands abbreviations and converts numbers into words so the text is clear and consistent. Step 2 is phonetic analysis. The system decides how words are pronounced. For example, read can be read or read, depending on context. Step 3 is prosody, the rhythm and emotion in speech. Readjust pitch, duration, and emphasis. Step 4 is synthesis. We can stitch recorded sounds together, or use neural speech models that generate a smooth voice. In summary, speech-to-text turns voice into words, and text-to-speech turns words into voice. Both rely on careful processing and smart language models.